At the end of 2018, Google said mobile-first indexing, that is, using a website's mobile version to index its pages, was being used for more than half the web pages in Google search results. However, Google again announced that mobile-first indexing will now be the default for all new web domains as of 1st July 2019. Do you know what that means? That means that when a new website is registered, it will be crawled by Google's smartphone Googlebot, and its mobile-friendly content will be used to index its pages as well as to understand the site's structured data and to show snippets from the site in Google search results when relevant. If you have a website for your business or product for anything, I hope at this point you already know that going for a mobile-first strategy is of utmost importance now. Hello everyone, this is Sean, and today I'm going to talk about not the complete mobile first strategy but mostly the design aspect of it. I'm going to discuss how the companies are adopting the approach of mobile first design. But before I go deep into the discussion, I would request you to subscribe to our channel if you are enthusiastic about product design, development, app development, startups, and entrepreneurship. We discuss a lot of problems and solutions in the tech world and how it can solve your business problems. We also send a lot of free giveaways like ebooks, templates, worksheets to our subscribers regularly. So let's continue with our discussion. The mobile first design approach involves the businesses to go for optimizing the mobile version of a web page before they scale up to larger screens. Did you know that a few years back, optimizing for mobile used to be optional? Then what has made this process a non-negotiable one for the businesses? Since 2015, the majority of Google users start their searches from mobile devices. It only makes sense then that a mobile version of the website and not the desktop pages would be used to deliver the search results. Mobile first indexing isn't the only way that Google has begun catering to a larger mobile majority. Several years ago, it also began to boost the rank of mobile friendly web pages in search. So what does a mobile first design actually brings to the table? Having a web page that is built up with a mobile first design can considerably increase one's online reach and visibility. This happens as the consumers directly switch out their desktop to mobile devices. As per the reports by Google Temasek, the mobile traffic accounts in Asia is almost 2/3 of all the web traffic. Consumers now are becoming increasingly dependent on their smartphones for any kind of e-commerce transactions. In almost every global region, the dependency on smartphones or other handheld devices is gradually increasing. That is the reason why companies are going for the development of the mobile-friendly website. Further, being mobile-friendly also allows the web pages to perform better on search engines. This helps in improving the organic traffic. I hope that you are aware of the fact that in the past, Google indexed websites based completely on the online content and the overall desktop experience. But since 2015, the game has changed, forcing countless business owners to start thinking their website's mobile responsive strategy. So be aware that the absence of a mobile-friendly experience could pull you down on the search list. This may also limit the number of online visits. Let me give you an example. Shopback is one of those companies which got benefited by adopting a mobile-first design. 2 years after its launch, they expanded their initial desktop-only approach to include a mobile app. Going for the mobile-first approach paid off for the e-commerce company. You will be surprised to know that within 24 hours, the app soared in popularity. It topped Singapore's list of free apps under the shopping category on the iOS App Store. Shopback in the year 2018 revealed that the volume of mobile app traffic was almost 5 times of the desktop traffic. The app also made up 3/4 of online orders. This is how Shopback went for the mobile digital transformation and increased its traffic. So what can your company do now? For creating a seamless mobile experience for your consumer, you should keep a few things in mind before directly jumping to the mobile first approach. Point number 1, At first, you should keep the navigation straightforward. Number 2, your content should be well structured. It should be innate for the visitors who are looking for key information on your products. Number 3, instead of covering your website with videos or images, better replace them with motion graphics. Motion graphics come with engaging typography which takes less time to load. So you can continue with your mobile first approach by strategically following the steps that I just discussed. It has been noted that although most of the companies are now adopting the mobile website design approach, still there is something that is holding them back. So where are these companies lagging? It is the cybersecurity issue. The users are now expecting a higher level of technical functionality just like the desktops. For example, the plugin support is comparatively weaker on mobile devices as compared to the desktop. Let's again take the example of Shopback. Shopback found that in Southeast Asian countries like Malaysia, Indonesia and the Philippines, desktop orders were more than the mobile orders. People are completing their transaction on the desktop due to a difference in perception of the safety. So it is very important for you to strengthen your site's cybersecurity through two-step verification. This could help you to allay the fears of your users. Most of the web traffic still originates from the desktop. For instance, let's take an example for office workers. Most of the office workers work on their desktop. They also browse on other websites through the desktop rather than browsing on their smartphones. Given this, investing in mobile strategies will be a smart move as consumers will be able to switch seamlessly between multiple devices. So it is definitely clear that the mobile trend is not showing signs of slowing down in the near future. If you haven't started optimizing your company's mobile web pages, then do it today. Remember, your mobile first web design doesn't need to be complicated. In fact, simplicity is the key factor here for capturing the attention of the large mobile consumer market. So let's quickly summarize what we have discussed all this while now. I first talked about what mobile first design is all about. Then I talked about its advantages and how companies like Shopback made use of this approach. Next, I discussed a few things that you need to keep in mind before applying the mobile first strategy. And lastly, I have discussed where the companies are lagging behind and what they should do to come to the forefront. I hope this video has answered all your queries about using the mobile first design approach. Please share this video with any of your friends or colleagues who are either an entrepreneur or in the process of becoming one. This video might help them to succeed faster. If you have any other strategies on this mobile first approach, I want to know about it. Please share your ideas with me and with our audience in the comment section. Tell us how you think about it and what has worked for you. If you're an entrepreneur, startup, businessman or someone associated with the tech industry, do subscribe to our YouTube channel. We discuss a lot of problems startups and entrepreneurs face and what are the best ways to deal with them. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon.